Eiffel Tower over here. I'm getting soaked up in the sun, which is okay lang kasi kailangan natin yan. Vitamin D. Ang extra ko ba, may pa-flowers pa siya. Be! Pang mag-jowa talaga to, guys. Ano yung jowa ko? Thank you so much. Thank you. Napaka-social climber na tayo, guys. Nasa Paris na lang din tayo, di ba? Lubusin na natin. Ganyan tayo, for the experience. Lahat ng pwedeng i-experience, yun yung i-goal natin in life. Kasi these are the things that you will remember once you grow older. At least, pag tumanda ako, maaalala ko na once in my life, I have done this and that. So right now, we're here at the Louvre. Ito daw yung best seller. Or cognac. Ang hirap. Parehas maganda. So today is going to be an exciting vlog because we are here in Paris, France. And usually I don't go out here in Paris since our hotel is far away from the city. However, today we have a day off here. We have 48 hours layover here in Paris. But yesterday, unfortunately, I wasn't able to go out since I was dead tired from the flight. As in, guys, wala na akong nagawa. As soon as I arrived here in our hotel around 8 a.m., I was dead asleep until like 8 p.m. in the evening, though there was still sun during that time since it's summer right now here in Paris. However, it wasn't enough to go out anymore, so I just opted to go out today, the next day here in Paris, since it's summer and I really want to experience Europe summer since I've been here a lot of times. However, it's always winter season and I hate packing winter clothes. I also don't like winter season. So right now is the perfect timing to go out, explore the city, and to have some me time. Since I don't have anyone with me right now, I decided to go out alone. I did not go out with the crew. They planned to go to Disneyland. However, I want to experience Disneyland the next time around with my partner since I feel like mas mai-enjoy ko siya with my loved one instead of just going there alone with someone else, right? So this time we are going to explore the city since I was here 2 years ago, but I wasn't able to explore the city since it was just a short layover. But now we have time to explore, to see what's there during summer, and I actually booked a 10:30 a.m. shoot in Eiffel Tower from Klook. So this is the link or the picture of the booking I did para you guys can also check it out if you're here in Paris. Although I don't have a Klook discount or whatever, guys, pero you can just book since hindi naman ako madamot sa mga information na ganyan. But it's really nice to try out since ako lang mag-isa and walang magpipicture sa akin, so I just booked a photographer from Klook. It is a 15 minutes shoot for only 2,500 pesos. Since I compared other photogs here in Europe which charge so much, I think this is the cheapest na nahanap ko since other photographers can charge up to 300 euros, which is 15,000 pesos, and that is too much. I just chose the 15 minutes shoot para mas sulit. And aside from the photo shoot that I booked from Klook, I also booked this tour from Klook as well. It is the Seine River cruise for lunch, and right now I booked the 12:30 p.m. lunch, so it will come after my photo shoot. Diretso na tayo sa Seine River to have the lunch with the Seine River cruise, which will have beautiful view of the city. We will be cruising down Eiffel Tower. What else? The Louvre. So, sobrang dami nating dadaanan na mga tourist destinations here in Paris. And I feel like it is really one way to explore the city, which is by cruise. Since sobrang popular din ng Seine River, right? So, instead of walking, we'll be taking the cruise since nakakapagod din naman talaga maglakad. Although we will be exploring also through walking. However, I want to experience the Seine River cruise since it's one of the most popular things to do here in Paris. And I want to reward myself and to have a date with myself since it's also important to really, have a fun time with yourself. Kahit na wala kang kasama, I'm also happy to know that I can be happy na ako lang mag-isa. Having fun with yourself is one of the best gifts that you can do for yourself since, traveling alone makes you more independent. You're not relying on anyone else. However, it would also be nice with someone, with a partner, but it's also nice to experience your travel alone. So once in your lifetime, guys, at least try once in your life na mag-travel ng mag-isa because it's really a fulfilling experience. The independence is surreal. Sobrang ganda ng feeling kapag nakakapag-travel ka mag-isa, you feel very independent and you know to yourself that you can be happy and independent alone even if wala kang kasama. So yeah, let's see. Ang dami ko nang sinasabi. Hindi na ako magro-room tour since sobrang gulo na ng kwarto ko kasi nag-ayos ako and yesterday I was just bed rotting and I didn't really do anything. But yeah, I'll just show you my outfit quickly. Hindi na tayo magro-room tour since sobrang gulo ng kwarto. And ito lang yung outfit natin for today. It is a dress and skirt from Bangkok. Ayan. So let's go. We'll book an Uber since I'm running late. It's kind of pricey to take the Uber here compared to taking the train. But later na lang tayo mag-train kasi sobrang late na talaga ako and baka madami ng tao and crowded na sa pupuntahan natin. So let's go. So first stop is here in the Rue or number 228 Rue de Universite or Universite. Hindi ko talaga alam paano i-pronounce. Pero ito yung first picture spot natin here in Paris. And I'll show you how it looks like. It's a small street similar to Dumbo of New York. So, ayan siya. Very, very nice street where you can take photos. And here is the name of the street. Ayan siya. Right there. That is the exact pin location on Uber if you're taking a cab. And I just finished taking some photos together with the photographer earlier. So ngayon nag-TikTok na lang ako. And ayan siya. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Ayan siya on the back. And sobrang ganda ng photos ko. I will show it here in this vlog. So, ayan. Yan yung 15 minutes shoot natin from Klook. Dito kami nag-photo shoot kanina sa street na to. Ito yung napili ko kasi wala pa akong photos here before. So, it's really nice street where you can take photos. And, hindi siya kasing kilala as yung ibang picture spot here in Paris. So, yeah. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda talaga. Hindi ako makaget over. Eiffel Tower over here. So right now, naglalakad lang ako, guys, papunta dun sa binook natin sa Klook na lunch river cruise with drinks. And ang init, Mima. It's very, very hot right now. So yung init pala dito sa Europe is mainit siya pero malamig yung hangin. As you can see, napakainit, guys. And hindi pa ako nag-sunscreen. Kalimutan ko maglagay ng sunscreen pero okay lang. Bahala na ma-sunburn mamaya. But it's really hot right now. I think it's around 25 degrees. Pero malamig naman yung hangin, so okay lang. So right now, it's a 30 minutes walk from Eiffel and I'm getting soaked up in the sun, which is okay lang kasi kailangan natin yan. Vitamin D. This is the walk right now. Here's the Seine River. O, diba guys? Ang lakas makaturista. Nakapayong talaga si Akla. So, I have an umbrella with me. It's very, very hot. Hindi ko na kinakaya. Pero ang lakas makaturista kasi wala nagpapayong dito guys. Parang ako lang. Here's the Seine River. Yun ang dadaanan natin mamaya for the cruise. So nice. It's a nice and hot weather right now. And it's a perfect day to stroll around the city. I'm so happy I made the decision to go out today. After 30 minutes of walk, nandito na tayo sa port. And as you can see, ayan yung lunch cruise sa Seine River. Ayan, let's just double check if it's the Curacao boat. So, ito yung Klook booking natin. So, dito nga siya.
It's your boarding ticket and you just present the passport.
Okay, so, is it like a reserved seat or super nice? So, ang binook ko pala is yung romantic. So, window seat tayo for today's video. pang magjowa yung binook ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero kasi yun yung best view for this, for this Seine River cruise. Ayan siya. There it is. And I think I will be getting a window seat maybe here. I don't know. So, this is our reservation. Let's go. Hello.
You go first step.
Yes.
Ticket may correct.
Thank you. Bonjour.
À la fin, you can follow my colleague. Have a nice cruise.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I'm all alone.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank
You
you.
can use.
Is the view of the Eiffel Tower will be here?
Of course.
Thank you.
You are even person.
Thank you so much.
This one's for you. And you have this menu. You choose your starter, your main, and the dessert.
Sure, thank
Okay?
you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hindi ko mapigilan yung tawa ko sa sa seat ko kasi pang magjowa talaga siya. Ano ba yun? Ang extra ko ba, may pa-flowers pa siya. Be, pang magjowa talaga to guys. Saan yung jowa mo? Thank you so much. Thank you. Taray, may pa-champagne. I love it. Na-excite naman ako dun. Kasi parang feeling ko, wala na akong katabi dito, sis. Nasa edge ako, tapos parang reserved seat siya. Oh my God, ang ganda, guys. Thank you, Lord. Hi.
Please, are you ready?
Yes.
Starter, please.
So I'll have the mozzarella, the bufale. Main course would be I'll just have the sea bass.
That's okay.
And
for your
then
dessert, please.
I'll have the Eiffel Tower by
Eiffel
Paris.
Okay. Do you want to drink something? For example, wine, water. You choose in here. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much.
And welcome with me, miss.
Okay, thank you.
Remember, if you want anything, I'm in here for you.
Thank you
Okay?
so much.
I want to have the good experience in here. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Welcome to Paris.
Thank you. Mabait naman ng server dito. Diba? Perfect. Grabe guys, this is the life. My gosh, I really like to do things like this. Yung mga parang fancy-fancy. Baka social climber na tayo guys. Nasa Paris na lang din tayo, diba? Lubusin na natin. Ganyan tayo, for the experience. Lahat ng pwedeng i-experience, yun yung i-goal natin in life. Kasi these are the things that you know, hindi na mabibili happiness. You can't buy, actually you can buy happiness, but these are the things that you will remember once you grow older. At least pag tumanda ako, maaalala ko na once in my life, I have done this and that. I've been there. I've been to those places. Kaya it's a wonderful memory to remember kapag tumanda ka. Kaya I also keep on vlogging just to remember this memory kapag tumanda na ako. That once in my life, I was able to experience this kind of things. Kasi di ba, not everyone naman can have the privilege to go in a wonderful place like this. Kaya I'm really, really thankful that I'm here. And I am just documenting every second of it. I hope you guys get inspired on also traveling and reaching your dreams as well. So we have the first meal, which is the mozzarella with tomato. This is our starters for today's lunch cruise. So yummy. Ang ganda ng presentation, in fairness. Ako personally, I like burrata cheese and mozzarella. Personally, I love it. It's my favorite. So for sure, I'm gonna like this one. It's nice. As usual, as expected. Mozzarella is my favorite, so I would never go wrong with my order. We're sailing. Magalaw na guys yung cruise ship, so oh my god, I'm so excited. Sea bass fish fillet for the main course. Let's try it out. Grabe yung views, guys. Very Europe. Very Europe. And look at those people na parang nagsa-sunbathing. Hindi ko alam kung yan yung trip nila kapag summer here in Paris. But they have like chairs there with a view of the Seine River. But actually, maganda nga tumambay dyan. Libre pa. And later on, kapag kita ko sa inyo yung Eiffel Tower once we pass by. So actually, dito nadadaanan na natin yung Louvre or Louvre Museum kung nasaan si Mona Lisa painting. Pero I'm not sure if I'm gonna go later. Let's see kung kaya ng oras. And over there is the Eiffel Tower. I don't know if you guys can see, pero medyo sumisilip na siya. Ayan. So we got our dessert. It's an Eiffel Tower. Sobrang cute. Yes! Very Paris. So far, I'm enjoying this trip. And it's just right there. Though hindi pa nakikita si Eiffel. But yeah, so far so good, guys. We're on our third course of our 3-course meal, which is the dessert. And it is a mini Eiffel Tower. Ang cute! Eiffel Tower. Yes. Time to eat Mr. Eiffel. We are done with the cruise. Grabe guys, grabe yung experience. It was really, really a great experience and I really recommend for you guys to do this activity whenever you're here in Paris. Sobrang ganda niya kahit mag-isa lang kayo, kahit pang magjowa siya. But I really enjoyed the view. The food was nice as well. Staff was amazing. They were very accommodating. They kept on checking out on me. I was okay kung may kailangan ako and wala naman masyadong restrictions when it comes to photos like bringing tripod kasi earlier I had a tripod for me to take videos and all pero hindi naman nila ako sinita so that's good. And yeah, it's still sunny outside, no signs of rain which is good, so ganda. Time to go on to our next stop, which is the Louvre. So, just checking kung may nakalimutan ako. Then, let's go! Okay, next stop is the Louvre Museum. That was nice. That was really nice. It was amazing experience. So right now we're here at the Louvre where Mona Lisa is. But for today, we are not going to visit Mona Lisa dahil nag-focus tayo sa cruise today. So wala na tayong time at wala na tayong pera pang museum kasi medyo mahal din si Mona Lisa. Nakita ko around 4,000 rin siya sa Klook when you visit the painting. Pero this is what the Louvre Museum looks like outside. And I'm pretty sure familiar kayo sa pyramid na ito kasi usually ito talaga yung puntahan na tourist spot here in Paris. Pangalawa sa Eiffel Tower. Yes. Pumunta lang talaga ako dito for TikTok. Kinumpleto ko lang yung mga takes ko. Pero next destination natin is Luxembourg Gardens. It's my first time there kaya gusto ko siya puntahan and later sana umabot pa tayo at kayanin pa ng powers ko pumunta ng Arc de Triomphe. But for now, nandito muna tayo sa Louvre and we're going sa Luxembourg Garden kasi sobrang ganda din daw doon. Nakita ko sa TikTok. And lahat lang ng pinupuntahan ko ngayon is TikTok recos. So, please bear with me, guys. Yan siya. Super nice. And another 24 minutes walk to the gardens. And sobrang ganda ng weather ngayon because it's gloomy. There is still sunlight although hindi na siya gaano kaaraw. Pero okay lang. Maganda naman yung weather and at least may araw pa for photos. We are now here in Luxembourg Gardens and napakaraming tao. Kasi hapon na. Dito na tayo sa famous green chairs. Ayan. Usually parang nagchichill lang yung mga tao dito at tumatambay at kumakain. But for me, I just took some photos. Alam nyo naman, Instagram is life. So, I came here to take a few photos and also makita na rin kasi first time ko pumunta dito. And so far, okay naman siya. It's really nice and you really feel the vibes of Europe. Here they have fresh flowers and a beautiful view. Puro bagets kasi dun sa other side kaya hindi ako dun nakaharap kasi nahihiya ako mag-vlog. Pero yeah, super nice.
Okay, so the tuna arrived. So just to check that everything is correct. Take your time.
你买了个点赞。
Ito daw yung best seller. Or cognac. Hirap. Parehas maganda. Maganda din naman. Okay.
This one, okay.
Parehas sila maganda, pero mas dedepende siya kung ano yung bagay sa skin tone ko. Kung nakakatanda yung, kasi parang nakakatanda yung cognac, pero yun yung mas prefer ko na color. Pero, okay. Ito yung cognac ulit. Ulitin ko sa'yo. Ito yung camel. Ako din parang cognac ako. May gantong color na ba ako ng bag? Ang ganda. I feel like okay. Totoo ka ba? Uy, thank you Hindi na kita awayin. Hindi na kita awayin. Grabe, okay, I'm sold. Cognac na. Let's go! Wait lang. Pakita ko muna kung ito yung card. Ang aking financer, charis. Ang aking sugar zaddy. Oh my God, ang ganda niya mga sis. It's giving Emily in Paris, Charis. Home in Paris. Mukha namang okay. Yes, it's good. Thank you.
熬不到换的时候就已经换了。
Thank you, Icol. Thank you. Ayabo.